This MX5 Mazda has hazy headlights. As you're going to see, it's a beautiful car over here in Spring Valley in Florida. Really nice condition this car is in. But the problem is that we have some foggy headlights. As you're going to see, zoom in here. It's really cloudy, as you can see right here. The other headlight is not in bad condition at all, but it's starting to get there with some scratches, so we're going to have this restored as well. So this is the Mazda, and look at those lenses now, up close. Let's get the other lens.
Guys, we'll be back. Alright, I'm locking this one.
Okay, the job is now completed with fixmyheadlights.com. We're going to have Pam, who's going to see it for the first time, and let's hear what she has to say.
Pam?
Is it done?
Yep.
Oh my God, that is amazing. Oh my gosh, it was all cloudy and awful. I love this.
Good, good.
Did you pay him? This is great. That is truly amazing. I'm like, I would tell anybody that had that problem. Did you already did yours? That's fantastic. Good job.
Thank you, I appreciate it. And that's fixmyheadlights.com, right?
Absolutely.
All right, guys.
I want anybody to know about this.
Everybody, fixmyheadlights.com. That's where you got to go.
Amazing.
All right. Thanks, Keith.
You're welcome.
That is truly amazing.
Yeah.
So now you're going to see better at night.
I didn't think it was possible. I really